air filters technology is pleased to announce the successful completion of the Operation Theatre Complex at Sanjeevanam Ayurvedic Hospital in Pallikara, Kakkanad, a project that demonstrates our expertise in developing cutting-edge medical infrastructure. Our team of experts designed and installed advanced air filtration systems, supplied and installed state-of-the-art operation theatre equipment, and implemented precision temperature and humidity control technology, ensuring a sterile, safe, and comfortable environment for patients and medical staff. This comprehensive facility, tailored to meet the unique needs of an Ayurvedic hospital, exemplifies our commitment to delivering exceptional quality and advancing healthcare standards.